Okay, I want to show you guys how to look through the proof gallery and make your edit and create a collection to send to me so that I would know what your selections are. So let's log into a gallery. I'm going to put in a sample gallery from a recent shoot that I've done. This is from October of 2014. Type in the password. And it will take you to the proof gallery. The proof gallery will load with the thumbnails first, and it will come in. You can see it'll load in. Typically, it will just load in the first two rows, and you'll have to click something on the menu button down here that says Show All. But in this case, since I had visited this gallery before, it's already remembered that setting. So, as you can see, you'll have all the thumbnails from the shoot here. If you go down, you'll see everything that was shot. These are 520 photos here. And you'll notice that when you look at the thumbnails, you'll see this big sort of heart here. And what this is a way for you to create a favorite that you like. Now, my suggestion when you're going through the edit is to first go through the thumbnails if you can deal with looking at the smaller images, because sometimes you'll see something that you like from just the form distance of it as opposed to going in and seeing the details. And it's a good way to just go ahead and just sort of get through the first pass of it and say, hey, I like this. Another tip would be to look at them going backwards as opposed to going forwards. I learned this tip from another photographer years ago, and how to make selections, because sometimes, at least from a photographer standpoint, you build to the shot, the best shot. And so you may, like for example, I didn't like this one, but I make an adjustment, came in a lot closer, and there it is. So this one, if I saw this one first before I saw that one, I'd probably pick this one if I may have liked this one before I saw that one. So that's why working backwards kind of makes sense, because now you can sort of see that first before you see that one, and you'll spend time going back and unchecking this one to check that one. So that's one of my tips there. But so let's look at a particular image here. We'll just look at that one. Actually, I want to look at. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we have this particular image here, and you know, um, we can go through the thumbnails over here as well. We'll load in the different ones from that point here, and this is where you can actually go in and say, okay, I like this image here with this add to favorite button here as well. Again, you also have the heart one there, and if you need to mention something to me about the particular part of the image, you can put this in here, and that will, just type your name and then a comment and email and that kind of thing. It'll be sent to me for that particular one. But you can also add the favorites here, and then there's some different types of things too. If you think the other part is too distracting, you can do that and just hit these buttons over here to go and advance it, so you can reduce the clutter of the page. And of course, if you want to add to favorites, you can do it right there as well. So if this makes it easier for you to do it, it's just a number of different options for ways for you to view the gallery and make your edit. So let's add a few of these to favorites here. So I'm going to, let's see, which ones do I like particularly care for here. I like that one. That one's kind of cute. Now, this one has just it says my selections here, so you can actually add there. You can see it's already starting to add favorites, and if you'll see, it's already has a heart on it, so it shows you which ones you've done if you've had those there. Let's see. I like that one. I'm going to skip ahead, try to get to another set here. I say, I like that one. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to load in another one. And I'll say I like that one too. So I've got 4 in my collection here. And then if I want to look at them, just hit edit selection. And then there's the 4 here. And of course you can rearrange them, move them around, however you want to sort of make sense of the order for you. Obviously, if you want to get rid of one, you just hit the X button to do all that there. And this will be, let's say these 3 are the ones I finally decide on. In order for me to see them, this is a local to your computer, so I can't see it unless you send it to me. So that would be this button here, and you would type your name, email address, and then the message, and then hit share, and that will send that directly to me, so that I know that you've made your selections and that they've been made. So that's it. It's pretty simple. Obviously, once we make finals, I'll put up another gallery for that if needed. If you want to buy prints, these are the print prices. These are basically without any markup. This is exactly what the cost is for making the prints. If you want to make prints for your print portfolio or to give out the gifts to people, that kind of thing. This is, for trade shoots, I typically will not try to make profit from it directly from the model unless they're using it for a specific commercial purpose, or we're selling it for a particular commercial purpose. When it's from the model's portfolio, she just needs to make prints. This is the best way to do it. Once I understand which ones you want, we'll put those up in the gallery. You can order the print. It usually takes 2 days to get it. They go through a company called Impix to make the prints, which is my preferred gallery, print vendor, so that they end up giving you really quality prints, and that's what their editing and style and finishing process is set up for their printers. So I think that's it for now. If you have any questions, just give me an email and I will try to answer them. But I think this should get you started on making your selections and letting you see how to make the edit. All right, thanks.